Okay, let's get started with the ingredients. The first ingredient to make popcorn is popping corn. But make sure to keep the lid on your pan, if not it will go everywhere. The second ingredient is something small to measure your popcorn in. The third thing is some icing sugar, or if you're in America, whatever you use. Some oil to put on your pan, but not too much. Oh. And lastly, a big bowl and a frying pan. Even though that's not a frying pan, I don't know what it's called. I mean a saucepan. Just before my dad puts in the 3 popping corns, he says I have to fill it halfway. I don't think that's halfway.
Whoa.
I think that'll do.
Otherwise, one in the kitchen might look a bit popcorny.
Yeah, but that could do a whole movie night with that much. It's loads. Imagine if we cooked it all at once, how much we'd have. I could swim in a world of popcorn. My dad's now going to put in either 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of oil. Oh, he just spilled some. Now it's the dangerous part. I can't touch it now. One of the most important things is that you put 2 teaspoons of some oil in, and then you only put 3 popping corns in, because if you, or not, or maybe 2, because that, so you know the oil is warm enough. So far they've been in for 30 seconds, let's take a look. Oh! We made one. We made one. Now we know the oil is warm enough, we're going to put the rest in.
I'm a bit nervous.
Oh god, the lid's not on. The lid's not on. I'm going to eat the popcorn, so just shoot it out. Good, non-flavoured. But they're nice warm. Can I go show Mum the popcorn? It smells like the Hippodrome's popcorn. I think it's nearly all done. Dad's gonna check how much, if it's ready or not yet. Dad, be careful to get whacked in the eye. Oh, I told you. I told him. What are you doing? You're scared at home. It's making a song. Okay, so my dad's now checking it. I don't really know what to say. I think he's about to go wax by some. Oh, see, it's all done. There's one little kernel just sitting beside it on the stove. Dad, you can pop that one.
Oh yeah, well, wait. I thought we'd finished.
It was like the fireworks ending from Potters where they all do a shock one.
That was.
But they're not expecting it and it just goes.
Oh.
So now we're going to pour it all into the big old bowl. It's not really old, but I can't really tell how old it is, but...
Just make it calm.
Now we're going to add our flavour, which is icing sugar, but you may have a different flavour. And we do half a tablespoon. So, and then you got to shake it, and then we have some, and it's delicious. Can't get the spoon out of the packet. I guess that'll do.
Sprinkle it all over. Really good. Now shake the whole bowl. Just keep shaking it really hard. Shake it all so it all goes around it. Keep going.
Let's try it. That's so good.